Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is June 24th, almost another month gone. My, this year's going fast. It's half the year. Wow. So let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market for the last few days. Let me get into the prices here first. Wake up. There we go. And days on the market. So today we have a manufactured home, 129.9, 1440 square feet, built in 79. Oh, it looks pretty nice for a manufactured home. Interesting. They did a pretty nice job of refurbishing that. Not bad. Pretty good. Desert Inn and Nellis. Okay. There we go. Okay, so what else is going on here? 1.5 million for this house on Pristine Glen. Okay. Nice pool, privacy wall there, built-in barbecue area. Okie dokie, pretty nice. And where is Pristine Glen? Over in Summerlin area. Okay. Then yesterday we had this condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 122.5, 892 square feet, built in 84. Downstairs unit, nice pool area. Pretty clean unit. Alright. We're off of Maryland. Maryland and Katy. University District. Okay. Good little rental unit there. Let's see what else we had come in on the market yesterday. 739,000. Nice drone shot. Nice clean garage. Nice covered area too. Pool, spa, cooking area. Nice outdoor space. External spa. Solar heat for the pool. Where is this little dude? Cactus in Bermuda. Alright. Good area. Okay, then Saturday we have this, which is a Manufactured home, 900 square feet, 1 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 79. Okay. Looks like they just put a new AC unit in there. Looks pretty new. What's going on there? Give the animals a place to live. Looks like they refurbished a bit of it. It's kind of tight there. The cabinet and the oven door there. Interesting. Not very well put together in my opinion. Okay, well I'm not buying it anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. I hope we're on Royal Ridge. Decatur and Harmon. Spring Valley. Okay. So let's see what else is in here. $65 for the weekend. It's not many. $20 million here. Whoa. 14,000 square feet. 31 bedrooms and 17 baths. Built in 65. What the heck is this? Oh, okay. It's out of the area. Well, let's see what it is anyway. Man, look at that. What is this? Like a resort of some sort. Beautiful trees. Got your inside garden there. Self-sufficient. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Oh, okay. It's got guest cabins. So it's actually a business opportunity. Restaurant area maybe? Torino. Let's see what it is. Commercial single. Hidden Paradise, Cliff Base, Mount Charleston. Oh, amazing range of state surrounded by a refuge of 155 acres of water rights. This is 42 acres here. I don't know why it says 155 there. Oh, 155 acres of deeded water rights, okay. Yeah, 5+ acres. No rear neighbors, RV parking. That is something pretty crazy. Alright, well, glad we stumbled upon that. Something to talk about. Okay. So, what do we have here? We have 415 in contract. Sold in the last couple of days. Price, actual close date. Nothing's closed since Friday according to this. Wow, it's a little weekend. Okay, nice house there, 3-car garage. 2-story. Well kept, nice kitchen. Don't see too many of these days. Side-by-side built-ins. Whoever made that one, you know, could be Sub-Zero, could be KitchenAid. Yeah, it's very nice. See why it sold. Any Pooler Spa? Nope. No Pooler Spa. 545,000. That seems like a pretty good deal. Southern Highlands. Yeah, 27 days on the market. Okay, then on the 21st, these are Friday's sales. Mississippi Avenue townhome, $16,000. What happened to this? Was it burnout or something? No. Bet they missed a zero. It's supposed to be 160. Yep. Supposed to be 160 and they didn't do it correctly. Okay, then 21st looks like we got a lot of closings on Friday maybe. Yeah. A lot of closings on Friday. Okay, previous. Highest priced is $1,090,000 in round figures. Okay, so this is a new build, 2019 Jace Canyon, Lone Mountain, Fort Apache. It's good. All right. So let us. So you've got 12 minutes already. Okay. I just wanted to see real quick what the pool homes did this weekend. Private pool, yes, 50 of them. Still not a lot. Let's get them all. Quick CMA. See what's going on here. Average 10,000 square foot lot, 180 a square foot. 8,100 square foot, 23,399. 172 a square. Alright, well, that tells us that. And you have a good day and talk to you soon. Bye.